Same goes for us. We, both individually and as the church together, to have the power that God is talking about, to bring about the results that James is sharing that God does to the church, we have to be fully plugged into God. We have to be plugged in to that source of the power. And when we are plugged in, when our lives have been turned towards Him, we truly come to life. If some people wonder why they might feel a little empty, just feel like they're going through the motions in life, one reason may be you're not fully plugged in.